Hi guys! In this video we are going to be going over multiplication, specifically using the bow tie method.
So let's start off with the question, what is multiplication? Multiplication is adding equal groups. For example, here we have a group of 3 plus a group of 3 plus a group of 3 to equal 9. Now what that can be translated into is 3 times 3 is 9. And how that is translated is that it is 3 times a group of 3 to equal 9. In this video, we are going to be going over the bow tie method. Now, I will admit this is a new method for myself, but I believe we can do it together. Now, the interesting thing about the bow tie method is that it has you imagine different lines when you multiply, and it's very similar to the standard algorithm. So the way the bow tie method got its name is that it has you look at the numbers in a pattern, where you do the first multiplication, the second multiplication, the third multiplication, and the fourth multiplication. But you can kind of see where it looks like a bow tie. But this method really only works with when you have two-digit numbers multiplied by two-digit numbers. So let's say if we can solve this equation. So we have 8 times 2, which is 16. Then we're going to do 8 times 4, which is 32, plus 1 is 33. Then because we're done with that, we're going to put a 0 under here, because we've moved over to the tens column. Okay. Then we have 1 times 2, which is 2, and 1 times 4, which is 4. We're going to add all that up, and we have 6, and 3 times plus 2 is 5, and 3 plus 4 is 7. So 756 is our answer. Okay, we're going to practice the bow tie method in a mastery check. Okay, so when I say so, I want you to pause the video and see if you can solve this equation by yourself. Ready? Pause. Okay, so in this equation, we have 32 times 16. So we do 6 times 2, which is 12. We add the 1 up here. Then we do 6 times 3, which is 18, plus 1 is 19. We add a 0 down below because we've moved over to the tens column. We do 1 times 2, which is 2, and 1 times 3, which is 3. We're going to add all that up. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus another 1 is 5. So our answer is 512. In this one, we have the equation 17 times 56. Please pause and solve the equation yourself. Okay, in this equation, we have 17 times 56. We have 6 times 7, which is 42. 6 times 1, which is 6, plus 4 is 10. We add a 0 because we've moved over to the tens column. We do 5 times 7, which is 35. And 5 times 1, which is 5, plus 3 is 8. We add it all together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 0 plus 5 is 5. 1 plus 8 is 9. Our answer is 952.
And that's multiplication using the bow tie method. Remember, there are two other ways in that you can solve multiplication, and any way works. In math, there is always more than one way to solve a question. If you have any questions about multiplication and the bow tie method, please feel free to email me. And if not, I'll see you in class. Bye.